A very important point to remember when installing the modules and frame inside this fuselage. You see there is a screw here on the frame, and there is one screw on the left. Now the very first version that I printed didn't have those places for these screws, so I had to glue these posts, this post here and this post here. I glued them on the frame. This is very, very important, otherwise your frame will vibrate inside and it may cause problems later. But now the newer fuselage, they have proper holes here, so you can actually remove those screws that I have shown you right here, one here and one right there. You can remove those screws, and those screws will go all the way through here, and you can put those screws on the frame to install the frames firmly inside the helicopter. If you cannot do that, just glue these posts to the frame so the frame will not move left or right. Do remember this. This is a very, very important point. You don't want a frame to actually vibrate from top of here, because the vibration comes from the main rotor in any case. So make sure you do something to remove this vibration, either put in the screws or glue those posts to the frame.